Did you know you can split one pivot table into multiple sheets, and each sheet stays a pivot table? No copy-paste, no rebuilding. Let me show you this powerful Excel trick step by step. Let's begin with a realistic sales data set. On my screen, you can see key business columns like sales date, region, state, city, sales rep, product, and sales amount. Exactly the kind of data you'd work with in an office or reporting role. Now, click anywhere inside this data. Press Ctrl+T to convert it into an Excel table. Make sure my table as headers is checked, and then click OK. This step is critical. By using an Excel table, your pivot table stays dynamic, new rows are picked up automatically, formulas stay intact, and your reports remain clean and professional. Now head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Pivot Table, choose New Worksheet, and then click OK. On the right side, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields panel. Drag Region into the Filters area. Next, drag Sales Rep into the Rows area. Then drag Sales Amount into the Values area. At this point, we're looking at total sales by sales rep, and we can filter the report by region. But here's where things get powerful. Instead of filtering one region at a time, Excel can automatically create a separate pivot table for every single region. Once the field is placed in the Filters area, Excel unlocks the ability to split this one report into multiple regions in just a few clicks. Here's the magic step. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab on the ribbon. Click the Options drop-down, and select Show Report Filter Pages. In the dialog box, choose Region, and hit OK. Just like that, Excel automatically generates separate worksheets for each region: East, West, North, and South. And here's the best part, each sheet is its own fully functional pivot table. Click into any sheet, and you'll see it's still a pivot table. You can change layouts, add new filters, refresh the data, and make updates instantly. No copy-pasting, no rebuilding, Excel handles all the heavy lifting for you. If this helped you save time in Excel, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more smart Excel tricks. See you in the next video.